Let's see some of the solutions to fix PS5 turning off by itself while playing games. 1. Turn off HDMI device link. This feature can cause your PS5 to turn off when your TV does. Disable it by navigating to Settings, System, HDMI, and then turn off all the HDMI device link. 2. Disable rest mode. The PS5 rest mode can sometimes cause issues. You can disable it by going to Settings, System, Power Saving. Set time until PS5 enters rest mode and setting it to Don't Put in rest mode. 3. Check for overheating. Ensure your PS5 is in a well-ventilated area and clean the vents regularly to prevent dust buildup. Overheating is a common cause of unexpected shutdowns. If your console feels very warm or you notice the fan is unusually loud, it may be overheating and shutting down to protect itself. 4. Update system software. Sometimes, outdated firmware can cause system errors leading to shutdowns. Make sure your PS5 is up to date by going to Settings, System, System Software Update. 5. Check power cables and supply. Ensure your PS5 is connected directly to a wall outlet and not an overloaded power strip. Check for any damage to the power cable and replace it if necessary. 6. Rebuild the PS5 database. If none of the above solutions work, try rebuilding the PS5 database. To do this, start your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Then select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.